Welcome to this video on crime scene investigation, commonly known as CSI. This video will provide an overview of the roles and duties in CSI, how evidence is collected and analyzed, the identification of suspects, and how a case is eventually determined. Several individuals are called to a crime scene, including police as first responders, crime scene investigators, forensic experts, a medical examiner, and an investigating officer. The core duties of a CSI involve securing the scene, documenting it through photos, videos, and sketches, searching for, collecting, and preserving evidence, and maintaining the chain of custody. Evidence can be categorized into several types: biological, such as blood and DNA; physical, like weapons and bullets; trace evidence, including fibers and glass; impression evidence, such as fingerprints; and digital evidence from mobile devices and CCTV. Suspects are classified as primary or secondary, and there are also persons of interest. They are identified based on motive, means, and opportunity. The case concludes after forensic analysis is completed, a charge sheet is filed, and a court trial leads to a judgment of conviction or acquittal. Some cases may become cold cases. The CSI workflow follows 6 steps: crime reported, scene secured, evidence collected, lab analysis performed, suspect identified, and finally, trial and judgment.